Episode 9, At the Airport and on the Plane. Welcome to Fluent Listening, the podcast for beginner English learners at the A1-A2 level. In today's episode, At the Airport and on the Plane, join two travellers as they check in, pass through security, board their flight, and chat during the journey. You'll learn useful travel vocabulary, airport questions, and polite expressions used while flying. Let's get started and enjoy your flight. Scene 1, at the check-in counter.
Hi, I have a flight to Paris. Is this the check-in counter?
Yes. May I see your passport and ticket?
Sure. Here you go.
Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Hey, Sofia, I'm glad I found you. Ready to fly?
Yes. I'm a little nervous, though.
Don't worry. I'll help you through everything.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate B7. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Thank you so much.
Scene 2, going through security and finding the gate.
Remember to take off your shoes and put your laptop in a separate bin.
Okay. Wow. There are so many people here.
Please remove any liquids and electronics. Place them in the tray.
Is everything okay?
Yes. I passed security. That wasn't too bad.
Now let's find our gate. It's B7.
Look. There's a screen showing flight details.
Perfect. We have time to grab a coffee.
Scene 3, boarding the plane.
Now boarding rows 15 to 30 for flight AF217 to Paris.
That's us. Let's go.
Do you have your passport and boarding pass?
Yes, right here.
Bonjour. Welcome aboard. Seats are down this aisle.
I'm seat 22A, by the window.
And I'm 22B. That's perfect.
Scene 4, during the flight.
Wow, the view from the window is amazing.
Flying above the clouds is always special.
Do you fly often?
A few times a year. You get used to it.
The seatbelt sign is on. What does that mean?
It means we need to stay seated for a while. Probably some turbulence.
Would you like something to drink?
I'll have orange juice, please.
Can I have water?
Sure. Snacks are in the seat pocket menu.
Thanks. Can we watch a movie?
Yes. There's a screen here. Look, there are English subtitles too.
Scene 5, nearing arrival and announcements.
We'll be landing in about 25 minutes. Please fasten your seat belts.
We're almost there.
Time went by so fast.
Let's fill out the landing card. Do you have a pen?
Yes. Do I write my hotel name here?
Exactly. And check tourism under the purpose of the visit.
Please make sure your tray tables are up and your seat is upright.
Got it. I'm ready to land.
Welcome to international travel.
Thank you for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 9, At the Airport and on the Plane. In this episode, we followed a travel journey, from checking in at the airport to chatting during the flight. These phrases are great for airport conversations and talking while travelling. Keep listening and practicing with us. Every episode helps you get more fluent in real-life English. Subscribe to Fluent Listening for more travel, social, and everyday English episodes. See you next time, and safe travels!